Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got something from Taiwan. Check this out. This is ShanShi, making ordinary meals extraordinary with their new fancy this is a spicy garlic noodle, and this sounds really freaking good. I'm excited. Thank you for sending this over. So we've got a big sachet of this spicy garlic sauce. Oh yeah. And then we've got, what did they say this was? Scallion crisp. So like fried scallion. And this, what's that? This is dry noodle. This is guan miao. And so basically we're going to drop this in the boiling water for, no, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minutes. And get the proverbial show on the road, ladies and gentlemen. So, how are you today? It's Thursday, October, October 6th, and what does that mean? Well, it's a day, but here in the U.S., it is also known as National Noodle Day. Yeah, I always hear about it after the fact. I don't really mark it on my calendar. I guess I should. I'm the noodle guy. That would kind of make sense, but maybe I should do that going forward. But yeah, so National Noodle Day. Every year I, find out about it after it happened, or like on the 6th, and I'm like, oh, I should have done something special for that. Oh. Well, this year, a company sent me a special box. They overnighted it from California, specifically for National Noodle Day. So I got it yesterday and did the whole video, and it was really strange and cool. So that was fun. If you look in the YouTube channel or just look on the ramenraider.com, the place you should always go every day and enjoy, you will find, and you search for National Noodle Day, I'm sure you'll find the post. But this is a review of something from Taiwan, and I'm wearing my Taiwanese baseball cap, or my World Baseball Classic Taiwan team hat, in celebration of said Taiwanese all things Taiwan. And this it has to do, this one I'm doing today, I guess, is a variety that they have a dish that they sell in a big restaurant. I can't remember what it's called. It starts with a Q, but it's fancy. And this is supposed to be illustrative of ShanShi province cooking fused with flavors for Taiwan. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, I like ShanShi cold noodle. I like lang pi. Yeah, there's so many different areas in China where they have different, very, very distinct flavors, like and most of them I only know from instant noodles. Like there's one called Back to Henan, which is like a milky goat meat flavored broth, I think is the deal. There's a lot. There's Chongqing, there's ShanShi, there's Sichuan. There's just so many different provinces with distinct flavors. I would love someday to be able to go to China and just try stuff from all over the place. I think that'd be really neat. But yeah, nobody's invited me yet. And I really want to go back to Taiwan. It's been too long. Way too long. Last time I was in Taiwan, it was in 2017. And then I think I went in 2016? No. I don't remember. I definitely remember all my visits to Taiwan. But that noodle, actually, when I was on a visit to Taiwan, I went to Tainan, which is kind of like central, if you're looking north to south, right in the right in the middle is Tainan. It's very agricultural area, and they have Mimi. That's enough. They're being crazy this morning. But so they had a machine that spat out lengths like this long of noodle, and then there'd be a guy on either side of this line, and they would grab a handful of the noodle, flip it and flip it, put it down, flip it and flip it and put it down. And they would put them on these rotating, it was like a big bamboo mat that was woven, and they would just like go, here's one, here's one, here's one, do it all the way around. Then it would go outside, and then it'd go under the sun and dry out that way. Dry noodle, you know. Very traditional. And I got to try to fold the noodles. I was absolutely, no, I didn't do well at that at all. I think maybe I got one set of noodle folded. But then you get them outside and you put them down in the sun for a certain amount of time, and then you got to flip them. So you have this big round mat with noodles on it, and then you take another mat, put it on top, put your hands here, like one on top, one on bottom, and you go, wham! And then you take the top off, and it dries the other side. But yeah, it's good stuff. I really like how it's very a natural way of drying noodles. Other places will use air drying, like a big industrial set of fans. That's cool too, you know? But yeah, fun stuff. Traditional, wonderful. So let's drain these noodles. That's what we got to do first. I'm hoping the bowl that I used is gonna fit this stuff. I think that'd be nice. Yeah, really nice. And it is, excuse me. I don't know, everybody's been getting sick around here. We have children. They're in school. They're being very noisy right now too. Shush. I like the less noise. Garlic though, ooh. Don't worry, I'll have them executed by the end of the day. Oh, somebody wants to turn off an alarm, I'm gonna bet. So we stir this up. Can you guys turn it down a little bit, please? Thank you. Turning it down, thank you. They're 5 and 7. What can you expect? I expect them to act as if they're 5 and 7. So this is the scallion crisp. Mmm. What do we got there? Ah, now I know it's 8 o'clock because Leave It to Beaver has come on. Alright, let's stir you up. Alright. Noodles look good. And I am ready to give them a try. So, It smells wonderful. Cheers. Ooh. It's got a bite to it. It's got a lot of garlic flavor to it. Interesting. I'm gonna try another bite because this is the only review I'm doing this morning, and that's what I'm doing. Wow. Very garlicky, nice oiliness, and excellent noodle. Alright. And here is our bowl. Pull these over here a little bit. Come on, fill in. Yeah, that scallion crisp and everything together. Well, that works well. I'm impressed. Okay, there's that. Now, I've got a well marinated egg here that wants to hang out. I'm getting it. I gotta cut the egg. Like I said, it's been marinating a little bit. All right. There's that. I desperately need to make more barbecue pork or chashu. That's what I usually use. And I make my own, which I swear really is quite easy. I do have a recipe on the website and on the YouTube channel. Just look up easiest chashu recipe ever and you'll find it. I certainly do like scallion, so I'm gonna scallion it up. And some seeds. And do we want anything else? What do I have? I've got to have something. I do have some chili oil. Maybe we'll do a little bit of that. I want to get one of those little tiny spoons. I don't have any tiny spoons. Okay. Let's get some of the good sludgy stuff here. Right there. All right. All right. And there we are. Rotato, do your stuff. All right. But yeah, I don't know if these are going to be available in the U.S. anytime soon, or if they are already. I don't know, but these are good. If you like strong garlic and a little bit of heat, this is neat stuff. I'm impressed. And thanks to the folks over at ShanShi for sending this over. Yeah. All right. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Happy National Noodle Day. Well, it's October 6th right now, but I'm sure for you it's like January, what, 24th, 25th. But just mark it on your calendar. You'll know. That's what I'm going to do so I can remember. Yeah. All right. Have a good one. Bye-bye.